Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do an essay on topic a day spent in an amusement park. I along with my family had gone to Delhi to spend the weekend with my uncle and aunt. The kids in the family were excited and thrilled when we came to know that the weekend program also included a visit to the adventure island in Rohini. We eagerly waited for the day to dawn, and even while sleeping, we had pleasant dreams for the swings. The Sunday morning was bright and cheerful. We dressed ourselves in our best attire and, after having breakfast, sat in the car and began our journey to Rohini. It seemed as if the car was moving at a snail's pace, and the journey would never end. But at last, after an impatient wait of about an hour, we had the first glimpse of the mall that houses the famous amusement park. We bought the entry tickets and rushed in. However, we were confused on seeing so many fun rides that it became difficult for us to decide which ride to start with. First of all, we enjoyed a breathtaking ride on the roller coaster. After this, we sat on the swing known as My Fair Lady. It seemed as if we are sitting in the lap of a fairy godmother who was moving round and round. The striking cars often offered a very interesting ride. We enjoyed driving the car and dodging each other lest we collide. Next, we sat in the space shuttle, and what fun it was to ascend and descend in it. It was really 2 o'clock, and we were told it was time for lunch. But with so much excitement splashed around, who cared for lunch? We literally gobbled our food and again returned to the swings. We did not feel like missing even a single ride. My cousin they took us to Columbus. We enjoyed this ride the most as we had an aerial view of the entire surrounding area. We even enjoyed a ride on a mini train which went through Bhoot Bangla. Some children were so frightened that they started screaming. Finally, we saw a three-dimensional film which made us feel we were in the space circling and the earth at a mind-blowing speed. At 8 o'clock, we were told that it was time to leave. We were greatly disappointed, for under no circumstance were we prepared to leave our dream world. Time had simply flown away, and it seemed we had spent only a few minutes in the adventure island. We left the place only after we were promised that we would be brought to this fantastic place again. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.